Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel again. Now today we are not going to install any roots. Instead, we are going to discuss how to download zip files, that is rolling stock zip files or root zip files from trainsim.com. So let's get started. First, you need to open a browser, which I have, a browser. So open trainsim.com. After opening it, you have to create an account. I have already done that. I have created my account and I have logged in. So you need to create your account and sign in. So after logging in, you will see a dashboard like this. So go to the file library and search files. Now we are going to install, search some files and download them. So let's get to the files. Okay, these are the files which I need to install. So first thing is DC coaches repaints pack zip. So here we have a drop down menu of all file sections. You can select which content you need in order to filter very quickly. So I don't need this file section because I know my exact file name. So if you know the exact file name, you can just type over here where it says file name. But if you don't know the file name, suppose DC coaches repaints pack, you don't know these names and all, but you know it's DC coaches, just type search for the text, and these are Microsoft Train Simulator Indian passenger cars. So search. So we do got DC coaches repaints pack. So if you don't know the exact file name, no need to worry. You can just type some of the items which related to the pack or which related to the rolling stock. So you can find the exact name and details. So in order to delete it, so in order to download it, just click download. I accept and start download. Now here I think yes, download has been started. Now here there are no such thing like simultaneous downloads, because if I try simultaneous downloads, it says limit exceeded. So wait until you complete the first download. Until then you can search for another file. You can search for another file. Okay, it says 3 minutes and 23 seconds, and transferring rate is speeds about 65 to 70 kbps. But don't worry about the speed, because the speed is restricted to the website, to the server, not related to your broadband connection or internet connection. It directly represents the server's limit. Okay, let's get back to our search. You can search from this new search, or else you can go back for file and search files. Okay, the second thing is IR 40209 EMDs. Just copy it and paste it. Start search. Yeah, got it. But before that, we do have one requires item. So in order to install this thing, we should install IRMLW EMD pack zip. So please download this first. In order to download it, just right click it and open in a new tab. You will open the item in the new tab. So IRMLWMD pack. First you have to install this pack first. After installing this, after downloading and installing this, you can get back to this IR 40209 EMDs. Then you have to download this, or download before also, but install it only after this installation of IRMLWMD pack. So you are clear so far, right? So let's download this first. So I'll try to simultaneously download two. I think there is a limit for two, so I can download the second. Okay, you had exceeded your limit of two simultaneous downloads on our free servers. So this is the menu you will get when you simultaneously download two items. So get back. So wait until this completes. So it says 51 seconds. So I'll do this. But you can keep the items simultaneously in different tabs, so that we do have more files, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 files pending. So you can open 7 tabs like this, like this, and you can get to the download page. Just keep them ready, as you will feel very easy. Okay, like this. So 13 seconds. All right, it has been downloaded, so we can start our download again for the second one. Yep. So let's start downloading. Next, get to the third item, that is IRWP4B Publi Pack. Just get here, paste it here, and start searching. Likewise, Vishakhapatnam WDM 3D. Open it, search it, close it, download this, and yeah, start downloading. So Vishakhapatnam WDM 3D is ready, and so Haripriya Express coaches. So Haripriya Express coaches. Get back. We'll search another file like Amaravati Express. Copy it and paste it. Search. You can pause it once and start the download. I think this is the way to start simultaneous downloads, I think, because I have tried once and succeeded too. So start this download and start this download too. Checking the address. Oh, something's gone wrong. Anyways, don't try to download simultaneously, because I'll pause it. So this is it, guys. So like this you can download from trainsim.com. Okay, so if you like the video, please do a like and a comment. Share the video if you love it, and don't forget to subscribe, please. It helps me a lot. And why I'm doing this video is, one of my viewers just advised or asked me to do so. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.